Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark, and this is epicconfections. I missed you so much I had to make another video. Today, I wanted to show you how to make a quick and easy unicorn poop slime. Let's do it! So I just started out with a tablespoon of fiber powder, a cup of water, and a bowl for mixing. Just putting my water into my mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add my tablespoon of fiber powder. Gave that a nice mix with the old fork there. And then I just added in a few drops of my favorite pink liquid gel. And then just stirred that until I was happy with the color. I then went ahead and added a generous amount of edible disco dust. Stirred that on up until I was happy with how it looked. Guys, look at all those sparkles. Look at it sparkle. I love it. And then I popped that into the microwave for 35 seconds, and I let it sit on the counter for a couple seconds before I started stirring it. And this is the consistency you get. And of course I had to get my hands in there. Look at that. It is, honestly, this is so fun to make, so quick and easy, and any kid would love to make this, and it's edible. I wanted to make some purple, so I repeated the exact same steps from the beginning of the video, only using purple food dye this time. And this was the result of the purple slime. Look at that. I love it. It is so shiny. Oh my god. I'm that person. I am so distracted by shiny objects. And then I made some yellow slime as well to go along with my array of unicorn poop. And there you have it. All the colors of the rainbow. Not really, but there's all the unicorn poop. I have yellow, purple, pink. I did make some gold. I wasn't really happy with it, so I left it out. But look at that. The result is so incredible. It's so shiny, so sparkly. Really, you can add some sparkles in there, some sprinkles, some confetti, anything you want. Anything that's edible, you can add it in there. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Once you're done making all your unicorn poop slime, you can mix it all together and let the kids have fun. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you guys. See you all next week. Mwah!